Hello, my name is John Thomas Damalik, and here's my presentation about environmental health. Environmental health is the branch of public health concerned with monitoring or mitigating those factors in the environment that affect human health and disease. I see it as how a community and the people that live in community take care of the community that they live in, and then other things within that community. Environmental health is important to us because it is part of any good public health system. There's a lot of policies and plans that can be put in place that help the quality of water, air, soil, and food. For us as college students, it is very important for us because it can impact our life more, and we have the best chance to change the outcome of our environmental health. Here are some stats. In 2016, 24% of all deaths worldwide can be attributed to the environment. Around 27,000 trees are cut down each day. 78% of marine mammals are at risk of choking on plastic bags, and other plastic trash. A glass bottle can take up to 1 million years to decompose, and there's a massive floating pile of garbage in the ocean. Here are the components of environmental health: clean air, stable climate, adequate water, quality and source, sanitation and hygiene, safe use of chemicals, protection from radiation, health and safe workplaces, sound agricultural practices, health supportive cities in a built environment. These are the 5 main concerns of environmental health. Climate change. This is caused by greenhouse gases that heat up and warm the surface and oceans of the earth. Pollution. It is one of the biggest and main causes for environmental concerns related to climate change. Deforestation. It's the destruction of plants and trees, which provide oxygen, food, water, and medicine to the public. Destroying trees also gets rid of the amount of oxygen in the world. Number 4 is disease. The mitigation and control is one of the main aspects affecting environmental health. And number 5, the hazardous waste. Knowing how to manage and get rid of hazardous and toxic chemicals can be a struggle. We need to make sure we educate and have the correct waste disposal systems. So what can we do to help? Bike more and drive less. So as a college student, you should walk or bike to your classes if you live on campus. This will save you money not having to pay for gas, and it will also decrease the amount of pollution from your car in the air. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. I know most colleges, especially at VCU, have the option like in the trash can that says recycle or trash. Just educate yourself and know what things can be recycled and what things has to be put in the trash. Conserve the amount of water you use. I know we live right next to the James River, so it's important for us not to overuse water and have runoff and put things in the James River that we don't really want to be there. Plant a tree. This is pretty kind of simple. Find an organization or just go out with friends, plant a tree somewhere. Shop wisely, find reusable or environmentally safe items at the store, including food and packaging. Don't send chemicals in our waterways. Just know what you're using as like a cleaning service or cleaning agent, and make sure you know not to put that in the James River. An organization that I found that really helps with Virginia's environmental health is VEJC. Just 3 things that they talk about is the Brown Grove community, which is a community impacted by a landfill, concrete plate airport, and I-95. They're kind of struggling with that and think they have no say in what's going on around them. Charles City is also facing the construction of 2 fracked gas power plants that are within a mile of each other, and Louisa County just lost a farm because it's getting turned into asphalt, and now there's a bunch of odor, noise, and dust around them. So what to do in Richmond? Go pick up trash at Belle Isle. walk or ride bikes to class, eat, work out, or anywhere. Recycle your used plastics and papers. Visit and explore many different green-approved attractions in Richmond. There's a website that shows eco-friendly places around Richmond that can help promote those businesses and such. Volunteer with any organization that fights for the environment, even if it's the VEJC, and join and create an organization at VCU that helps fight for the environment. Here are some resources that I used. Thank you and have a great day.